India always plays a very significant and leadership role when it comes to the matters of global concern. And definitely, the global climate change is no different from it. In fact, in the very recent, I would say, COP26 conference that happened in Glasgow, along with the already committed, I would say, global emission targets, our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji made another statement. That interesting statement is that by 2070, India would be net zero in terms of emissions. It requires a lot of confidence and it requires a lot of strength to make such proclamations at global platforms. If you look at the existing, I would say, targets that we are already chasing, be it bringing down the carbon intensity by 30 to 35% by 2030, or increasing the renewable energy sources by 50% in terms of our consumption to 2030. This new additional statement adds immense value and immense, I would say, significance to the concept of renewable energies. Yes, while electric vehicles is a very important, I would say, engine that is already running and ensuring that the carbon emissions are brought down and being brought under control, if these electric vehicles are powered by renewable energy sources, then there is nothing like it. The target of realizing the net zero emissions by 2070 would definitely be easier. Now, while we talk about this, let us look at the great, I would say, lifelines of India, which I would call the ones that run from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Yes, you are right, the older NH7 and then the new NH44. The national highways always form the lifelines of the Indian demography, and in fact, India is the second largest country in terms of the road network, with more than 200 national highways covering more than 1 lakh kilometers. Now imagine this. Imagine that all these national highways become EV-friendly highways. Understand a scenario where all these highways have the electric vehicle charging stations but are powered by renewable energy sources. Don't you think the things are getting interesting and things are getting really, I would say, greener and brighter? Well, follow me and definitely be part of the RenewX Expo that is happening in Hyderabad between 19th to 21st of November as I speak on these specific topics on how the national highways can become the e-highways and how they can propel not only the adoption of electric vehicles in the Indian auto industry, but also they can propel the journey towards the target which was proclaimed by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, that India would be the net zero emission country by 2070. What are you waiting for? Don't miss to be there while I will talk on this favorite topic between 19th and 21st of November at Hyderabad High Techs as part of RenewX Expo. Thank you very much.